This village is boring. Let's make it exciting. Kiko grabs bananas, knocks over baskets, and laughs loudly.
I won't listen.
Kiko turns away stubbornly. I do what I want.
He doesn't need punishment. He needs understanding.
Let's show Kiko what helping feels like. Amina nods with hope.
Why do they look so happy?
I want to help too. Kiko lifts a basket and hands out bananas.
Welcome, friends.
Welcome, Kiko.
Fresh fruit for all.
Kindness always wins.
Thank you.